Hey guys, welcome to your daily dose of social media. Allow us to show you some funny and trending videos so you don't have to waste your time scrolling these social media. In our first video, this kid and his father was enjoying zip lining, but they were not expecting an unexpected guest to join them in their adventure.
Don't worry. Yeah?
I just clocked his finger. Oh, what do I do about the sloth?
Don't worry.
Do we just wait?
We just.
This might be the most effective way to find your father who left to bring milk.
So your mom is charged with going through a red light on Roger Williams Avenue and Elmwood Avenue. And we're gonna look at a video of it, okay? So, is she guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty. Cause that's my dad.
Oh.
As the gas prices are getting high, this delivery guy used a horse to deliver food to the customers. This is the most difficult dance step. Only few chosen one can perform it. This dude pranked some horny dude on Omegle by using green screen.
Gotcha, man.
Is there some tutorial or what?
I'm fucking weird, bro. Do you like my ass? Hello, boy. Do you like that?
This is how you make a girl jealous and still be loyal to her. In this video, some girl was trying to fit into a washing machine but got stuck and was not able to get out, and she don't even have a stepbrother who could have helped her, so she have to call the police for the help. A bright student in Hogwarts School of Witchcraft did a deep research on Putin and found why Putin is trying to start World War III. What universe does this Spider-Man belong to?